Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your email on Hostinger. First of all, go to emails, then type in your desired domain name for which you want to upgrade your email. Now click on the domain name and you can see there is only one email account, so I'm going to upgrade this one. For Hostinger email, would like to mention here that you can upgrade all the email accounts from Hostinger at once. You cannot individually upgrade email accounts on Hostinger. So let's click on upgrade. Select the package that you want to upgrade. There are two of them, Business Starter and Business Premium. So now select the billing period, like which is 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. Now just type in your card details, and if you want to add additional mailbox, you can add them here. And now just simply click on complete payment to complete the process of upgrade. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.